when you're on the road?
What is this all about?
Nothing. Just asking drivers about what they eat on the road. That okay?
No.
No? Okay. What do you eat when you're on the road? What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Do you cook yourself in the truck? Do you usually
No.
eat it? What's your favorite place?
Just the chicken.
Okay. Do you have it at truck stops?
Right up.
Oh, really? Every Loves has it?
Most of them.
Most of it. Then do you eat Subway?
Yes.
Here's a gift card to Subway for you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right. Take care.